Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be changing the chainsaw blade on our, I think it's a Remington 14-inch lemon trim saw. These chains are getting harder and harder to find. This saw is pretty old. I don't have a huge property. It's about a 1 acre property I have that my house sits on, and I clean up a lot of nuisance trees. You know, everybody borrows this thing. It gets a lot of use. It needs a chain replaced, but they're getting harder and harder to find. I found this one on, I think it was Amazon. I'll put a link to it below. Let's get into it and see how hard it is to change this chain. Okay guys, here we are. It looks like we're gonna have to take this cover off. There's 3 screws here. Looks like maybe a couple of 1/2 inch or 7/16 inch nuts there. That's the blade adjustment to move it back and forth. So let's get those off real quick. Okay guys, for those of you using this for directions, I was wrong. There's more than 3. There's actually one back here that goes from the other side of this, so gotta take that one off too. Okay guys, I checked. It is a 7/16 wrench that we're gonna need. We're gonna loosen these up, and then we're gonna pull this chain bar back, and we're gonna pop this chain off. Okay guys, we got it loosened up and we got it the bar pushed back. So now we're gonna see if we can fish this old chain out and put the new one on. And here's the details that's on the chain that I bought. Again, I'll link that in the description. All right guys, there's a comparison side by side of the 2 chains. So looks like that's about the right size. Let's get it loosely on there and see if it's gonna work. All right guys, I got it on, and you wanna make sure your teeth are up, right? And then this is what rides into the chain bar here. So we're gonna pull that this way and we're gonna tighten that up. We're gonna make sure we got that all in the track. And then we're gonna tighten these down. And I had to loosen mine quite a bit. To get that chain off. All right, there we go. We're all tightened back up. We got it in there. We got a little bit of slack in there. Let's go ahead and put the cover back on and we'll go test it out. Okay guys, cover back on. Let's go take it back in the garage and hook it up to some power and see how it runs. Hey, real quick, this is the area where I was cutting down those, when I say nuisance trees, they have grown up over the years. And this path of arborvitaes I have. So I've already got those 2 down. I thought there was another one back here, but yeah, there was a few. I took most of that one down. I need to cut this down the stumps. Obviously, there's a big piece of it. And I've got this one left. Plan is to build a new shed back here. So trying to get this cleared out, get this part of the property usable, rather than just you know, throwing things to store before I need them. So yeah, these are in rough shape anyway, as you can see. And they drop this berry type thing. So anyway, those are going. Okay guys, we got a hook to power. Moment of truth. Looks good. I think that's a success. Now we can get back to cutting down those trees. And here's some more details on the saw itself, guys. I can't tell you how many years I've had this. I've had it for a long time. So just in case you want to see if it's the same as yours, this chain seems to work out well. If I go through my local Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, whatever, I can't find a chain for this. I tried this, ended up with a bunch of different chains. Had to take them back because I think I don't know if it's a regular 14-inch, just doesn't fit this or not, but I had trouble with it. Found this chain on Amazon. So if you're looking for a new chain to revive your Remington 14-inch lemon trim, check out the link below and see if it helps you out. Hey guys, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I had a heck of a time finding a chain to fit on that saw, but yeah, check out the link below. That one seems to work, from Amazon. That's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Appreciate you. We'll see you next time.